We're gonna do a video here on a new Holland. It's a Hayliner 505 Baler. It's got the Deutz diesel engine. Everything seems to work on it. Fires right up. Tires are in great shape. Got like a brand new tire over here. Both tires hold air. Just got pulled in recently. $4,800 hours. I'll fire it up for you real quick here. Controls right here. All right, come check it out. Preview day. We got preview day coming up Friday, the day before the sale, from 9 to 4. If you got any questions, give us a holler. Other than that, thanks for watching. Got a nice Baler down here. 777 auctions on August 1st. Thanks for watching.